Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. It seems I just came back. I had the Reuters Metastock webinar the other night, and I'm getting all kinds of feedback from all different types of people, pretty much from all over the world. People from Singapore, Australia, South Africa, and obviously the States, on just different ideas and things that they want. And the issue that I want to cover today, it seems like everyone is looking for that secret sauce. Everyone is looking for that secret indicator. Well, the reality is, and I keep on saying it, it doesn't exist. What I've done is I've sorted through all different ideas in order to make out a complete trading plan in which I use and I've been using for the last 18 years. I just want, as long as before I'm starting, I'm inviting you, you can go to my website, trendfollowingmentor.com, and you can sign up for a free Trend Following Report. It's 40 pages. Sign up, and you're going to get emails from me with different educational ideas and whatever I can do to help you. I'm here to help you. You can email me, you can call me, and we can chat. But I want to get to today's point. What I gleaned from, again, from this Metastock Reuters webinar is everyone's looking for this indicator or this magic whatever. And it's almost funny. So we're going to talk about it. Here it comes. Here's a trade. Anyone who's trading currencies or anyone who's trading futures knows the yen is basically imploding. And what I use in my methodology are very simple, robust ideas. But that's not the course, and that's not really what you need to know. So you need to know, here it is, the yen breaks out. Well, great. You don't have to come to my course and you can just buy a breakout. I mean, there's a million free breakout turtle ideas out there. But there's all type of filters and ideas that I include in my course that differentiates success and failure. Another issue I had yesterday was I'm presenting at there's a CTA Expo, Commodity Trading Expo, and I spoke to the organizer just for what type of material to bring and to prepare a one-pager. And what was interesting is he knew more about me, which I was kind of shocked that I've been trading for 18 years and I also invest in other CTAs. And he suggested to post on or print on my one-pager, not just my returns, but how much I focus on risk. And that the fact that many CTAs even don't even think about risk. And really what he struck a chord. He said what separates me from other CTAs or traders is it looks like it's not I'm just looking how much money I can make, but how much risk do I need to take on in order to have realistic returns, or let's say okay returns. Because the fact is, if one doesn't manage the risk, then the fact is they're not going to be trading, because there's going to be a drawdown out there that will stop them from trading. Again, as I'm trying to say, is trend following is not easy. So what I do is I've taken very simple, because they have to be simple, and don't confuse simple by not being that they can't be profitable. I mean, they are. They over time they are. But the fact is that you take these simple ideas, and the reason they're simple is that they're robust. They can be used on all time frames. They can be used in all markets. If it's stocks, if it's currencies, if it's futures, and you combine them into a plan. What you're going to learn from me is how much to buy or sell, when exactly to buy or sell, when to get out with a loss, when to get out with a profit, and how to just handle the whole approach of what you're really looking to do here. I'm going to give you an example. Here's the yen trade. You could have just bought a breakout. Well, great. If you had gone through my filters, you would know that you don't want to take this point at this point. And then you'd also realize that you wouldn't have taken it right down here because you have too much risk. And you only want to risk, at least what I'm suggesting to you is, you want to risk less than 1% of your account. I want to clarify what that means. Let's say you have a $100,000 account, and you want to risk 1%. You don't want to risk more than $1,000. And if you're risking more than $1,000, you might want to pass on the trade. But the fact is, you're going to have times where you can even jump onto these runaway trades. Like I spoke about yesterday, I spoke about Apple stocks. Again, just as another example, this works on stocks, it works on futures, it works on Forex. None of it matters. It all works over time. Not every trade works. Actually, the majority of the trades don't work. And that's why you have to keep your trades, your risk small and your losses small. So here's a quickie. The yen's going down, going down, going down. It made a tremendous move here. If you're going from, let's say from this breakout point of 129.85, and we're down to now 118, that's a tremendous move. And then you say, shoot, I missed it. Well, you don't have to miss it. There's all along, you had several points, like this point and this point, where you had a retracement. And you could have taken this trade, as long as it fits part of your plan. Part of your plan, again, is how much to buy, how much to sell, when to get in with a loss, when to get in with a profit, how much to buy. Should I even look at the yen? I mean, because there's so many things to look at. One of the things that I teach you is also what to focus your emphasis on, how to be tactical. You can't buy and sell everything. So you want to buy the strongest if you can put on a low risk bet. You want to sell the weakest if you can put on a low risk bet, and see what happens. This is the reality of trend following. So you can see you have a little bit of a pullback here. That's called a trend retracement idea. Here's another trend retracement. You can kind of see you had a pretty low risk bet here. But here, you didn't have so much a low risk bet, and you also it didn't fit the plan. What I want to do is teach you an exact plan of what to follow and what to do and how to do it. I thank you. This is Andrew from TrendFollowingMentor.com. I invite you to come and you sign up for a free 40-page report. None of it is snake oil. It's reality. And what I was told is I'm being too negative when I'm trying to teach, telling people that how hard trend following really is. And it is. It is a marathon. The other thing is, I'm not just a course seller. I trade for a living. I gave my course to various money managers and people that have been in the field for decades. And you can read them, and you see, and you'll hear them. Again, I invite you to come and be one of my students and have the ability over time to be independent and make money with your money. I thank you for your time.